Let's learn about assessment year. Assessment year is replaced as tax year as per the new Income Tax Act. So, assessment year, as per the definition, is the year in which the income earned in the previous financial year is evaluated and taxed. It runs from April 1st to March 31st, just like the financial year. So, relation with the financial year is important. That is, period in which financial year is the period in which income is earned. Assessment year is the period immediately following the financial year. Say, for example, income earned in the financial year 25-26 is assessed in the assessment year 26-27. What is the purpose? It ensures income is taxed only after it's fully earned and accounted for, and it prevents premature taxation before the end of the earning period. One more thing I have to remember, income tax returns always will mention the assessment year because tax is filed in the year following earning the income. Thank you.